You might think everything is fine with your cat, but is it really? Cats are masters at hiding what they feel, especially when something is wrong. They follow quiet routines, seem independent, but when something changes in their behavior, it's time to be alert. Small, almost imperceptible signs can be a disguised cry for help. And if you don't know how to identify them, you might end up ignoring something serious. In today's video, we're going to cover the signs that should never be ignored. If you love your cat, this knowledge can make the difference between their well-being and silent suffering. Stay with us until the end and find out how to become the attentive and caring guardian your cat needs. Weight loss. Unexplained weight loss is a common sign that something is not right with your cat's health. When a cat starts losing weight without a change in diet or activity level, it can indicate metabolic, digestive issues, or even cancer. Weight loss can be gradual and hard to notice, especially in cats with long or thick fur. It's important to weigh your cat regularly and monitor any changes. If you notice your cat is losing weight for no apparent reason, it's essential to seek a veterinarian immediately. The professional can perform tests to identify the cause of the weight loss and recommend appropriate treatment. Difficulty breathing. Difficulty breathing is a serious sign that your cat needs help. Respiratory problems can manifest through panting, coughing, strange sounds when breathing, or breathing with an open mouth. These symptoms can be caused by a variety of conditions, from respiratory infections to heart problems. Cats with breathing difficulties may adopt a hunched posture, with their front legs extended and head down, trying to ease their breathing. If your cat is having trouble breathing, seek veterinary help immediately. Respiratory problems can worsen quickly and require urgent medical attention. Urinary problems. Urinary problems are common in cats and can be extremely painful and dangerous. If you notice your cat is urinating more frequently, with difficulty, or if there is blood in the urine, this can be a sign of a urinary infection, kidney stones, or other urinary tract conditions. Cats may also vocalize during urination, excessively lick their genital area, and urinate outside the litter box. Urinary problems can lead to urinary obstruction, a medical emergency that requires immediate veterinary attention. Any changes in your cat's urine should be evaluated by a veterinarian. Early treatment can prevent serious complications and ensure your cat maintains healthy urinary function. Changes in appetite. Changes in appetite, such as eating less or more than usual, can be a sign that something is wrong. Cats are known for being picky eaters, and any change in their eating habits should be taken seriously. Lack of appetite can indicate dental problems, digestive issues, or other serious illnesses caused by oral pain, gastrointestinal problems, or even kidney disease. Additionally, anorexia in cats can lead to serious conditions like hepatic lipidosis, a liver disease that can be fatal. On the other hand, a sudden increase in appetite can be a sign of metabolic or endocrine problems, such as diabetes or hyperthyroidism, conditions that require medical treatment. In either case, it's important to consult a veterinarian for proper evaluation and diagnosis. Lethargy. If your cat is showing lethargy, lack of energy, or sleeping more than usual, this can be a sign of illness. Cats are known for being active and curious, and a sudden change in these behaviors should be a cause for concern. Lethargy can indicate a variety of health problems, from infections to chronic diseases. Cats that suddenly lose interest in playing, exploring, or interacting with their guardians may be suffering from an underlying issue. Lethargy can also be a symptom of diseases like anemia, heart disease, or respiratory problems. It's important to observe if lethargy is accompanied by other signs, such as loss of appetite, weight loss, or changes in physical appearance. If you suspect something is wrong, it's crucial to seek a veterinarian for a thorough evaluation and ensure your cat receives the necessary treatment. Unusual aggression. If a cat that is usually calm and gentle suddenly becomes aggressive, this can be a sign of pain or discomfort. Aggression can manifest in various ways, such as biting, scratching, and sudden attacks, especially when you try to touch or pick them up. This can be a response to physical pain, like dental issues, joint problems, or even infections. Aggression can also be a reaction to stress or anxiety caused by changes in the environment, such as the arrival of a new pet or changes in the household routine. It's crucial to pay attention to these changes and consult a veterinarian if you notice an increase in your cat's aggression, as they can identify the cause of the problem. Isolation. Cats are known for being independent, but if your cat is isolating more than usual, avoiding interactions with humans and other animals, this can be a sign of pain, stress, or depression. A cat that is usually sociable and playful, but suddenly starts spending most of their time hiding under the bed or in a dark corner may be trying to avoid contact due to discomfort or fear. Additionally, cats that isolate themselves may be dealing with emotional issues, such as the loss of a companion or changes in the home environment. Pay attention to these signs and try to figure out what might be causing this behavior. If the isolation persists, it's essential to seek help from a veterinarian for a more detailed evaluation. Coat condition. A cat's coat is a good indicator of their overall health. If your cat's coat is dull, tangled, or shedding excessively, this can be a sign of health problems. Poor coat quality can be caused by poor nutrition, parasites, skin diseases, or internal issues. A healthy cat should have a shiny, soft coat without bald spots. Excessive shedding can also be a sign of stress or allergies. Keeping your cat's coat in good condition is essential for their health and well-being. Regularly brushing your cat not only helps maintain their coat, but also allows you to notice any physical changes that might indicate health issues. Eye changes. A cat's eyes can tell you a lot about their health. If you notice changes such as redness, discharge, cloudiness, or dilated pupils, this can be a sign of infection, inflammation, or other medical conditions. Healthy eyes should be clear and bright, without discharge or irritation. Changes in the appearance of the eyes can indicate problems like conjunctivitis, corneal ulcers, or even glaucoma. Any changes in how your cat uses their eyes, such as excessive blinking or rubbing their eyes with their paws, can be a sign of discomfort or pain and should be evaluated by a veterinarian. Early treatment of eye problems can prevent more serious complications and ensure your cat maintains healthy vision. Vomiting and diarrhea. While occasional vomiting can be normal for cats, especially when they are expelling hairballs, frequent vomiting or diarrhea are signs that something is wrong. These symptoms can indicate digestive problems, parasites, poisoning, or other serious medical conditions. Frequent vomiting can lead to dehydration and electrolyte imbalance, which can be dangerous if untreated. Diarrhea can be a sign of intestinal infection, food allergies, or intolerances. If your cat is frequently vomiting or having diarrhea, it's important to seek veterinary help to conduct tests and determine the cause of these symptoms, and thus indicate the appropriate treatment to restore your cat's health. Now that you know the main signs that a cat might need help, remember, observing is an act of care. Even the smallest behaviors can hide big alerts, and the sooner you notice, the better the chances of ensuring your feline's health and well-being. If any of these signs made you think of your cat, don't hesitate to seek a veterinarian. Prevention is always better than cure. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with other cat owners, and comment below if you've experienced a similar situation with your kitty. Your experience can help others too. And of course, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to not miss any content about the feline world. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. And take good care of your best friend.